Hey, James Bill here. Thank you and welcome. Thank you for opting into my page, guys. Just to tell you a little bit about me, I'm James Bill from Louisiana. I'm a musician. I'm also a family man. I'm married to my lovely wife, Lorraine. I have one daughter and two beautiful grandkids whom I really adore, guys. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, years ago, just to take you back a little bit, things was kind of rough for me. I am a musician. I was kind of a struggling musician there, trying to make ends meet, trying to follow my passion, and sometimes it didn't work out. I ended up playing a lot of private engagements for people with money, and I mean big money. And I did not envy them, but I did, however, I was motivated and inspired by them, and I knew I wanted to have what they had, the homes, the cars, and all of that. And I was in a down place, guys. I couldn't pay the bills, so me and the wife, we kind of struggled and argued and stuff like that. I was in a sad place, let's just say that. But anyway, I started searching for ways to earn extra income, and I stumbled across a video online. The guy's name was David Sharp, and guys, this changed my life. I've had 10K months online. I've learned so much about business, LLCs, and I want to share that video with you guys because now I'm in a happy place, and I just want to share that with you. And if you're in a sad situation or whatever, or just down, dial straight, or just need a little extra income, I strongly advise you take a look at the next video, guys. I'll see you on the inside.